When we look at the lives of a successful entrepreneur, we only see the surface. We only see the results. We see the sports cars, the lifestyle, the nice clothes, but we didn't see the sacrifices. We didn't see the struggles and challenges that they have to conquer to be able to achieve what they want and what they have right now. So in this vlog, we're gonna show you the reality. What are the sacrifices, the challenges, the struggles that you have to conquer in order to achieve your goals and dreams? And by the way, we will also talk about the sacrifices if you are already successful. And this applies to successful entrepreneurs who have a deep sense of integrity and commitment. Honestly, I don't have to do this, but I will. Let's go, guys. Ayan, happy and grateful right now kasi nakarating tayo ng safe, no? Actually, sobrang nahihilo pa ako and I don't have to be here. Pero sa lahat kasi ng layout for today, nandun ako nandun yung mukha ko. So everyone is expecting that I'll be here in the main office of Worldwide Entrepreneurs. So what I did, number one is, shinare ko talaga yung layout, minayday ko pa yung pagmumukha ko, katunayan na dadating ako so that I can actually commit myself even more, no? Parang wala akong choice. Kahit anong nararamdaman ko, pupunta ako. Pangalawa, it's my integrity and commitment. Kasi kilala ko sarili ko hindi ako papayag na hindi ako tutupad sa usapan. Kailangan, whatever it takes, makatupad ako sa usapan. And number three, since nasa sales kami, since yung mga leaders natin sa Worldwide Entrepreneurs, nakaka-receive na ng sobrang daming rejections, alam naman natin na sa network marketing tayo, I'm pretty sure that every single day, they are always rejected. And I don't want them to feel any more rejected. Kasi pag di ako dumating, baka lalo silang ma-reject sa pakiramdam nila. Kasi alam ko, tong araw na to, pinaghandaan nila. Kasi celebration to ng birthday ko, by the way, no? Naghanda sila, nag-invite sila ng mga tao. Lalo na yung mom ko, nag-prepare pa ng food. Andito kami para maging masaya, mag-celebrate at mag-celebrate ng success. So hindi ako pwedeng mawala. That is why we're here. So kahit anong mangyari, lalaban natin to. See you later, guys. Good job. How do you feel?
Grateful, excited, excited, abundant.
Alive. So, yeah, happy and grateful, guys. And quick rundown on what will happen. Sisal tayo, no? Sisal night, and we're here to celebrate success. We are here to share success stories. And more importantly, bukas yung puso natin sa possibilities. Now, a lot of you are probably having a lot of, resistance and regret or maybe resentment or I don't know kasi mga hindi pa rin nakatupad sa usapan. But remember, 26 pa lang naman ngayon, hindi pa tapos yung laban. Alright? August 26 pa lang. Alam niyo, marami pong pwedeng mangyari. Kung nag-aalala kayo, huwag niyo akong isipin, kaya ko sarili ko. Ang isipin niyo, paano natin ipapanalo tong araw. Because we all sacrificed a lot for this. I did. Are you with me? So follow the instructions, just follow the body language. If I need help, I will be asking for help. Alright, so yun lang, guys. And we are receiving all the pay-ins, the blessings, the stocks, the centers in God's name! Yes! Amen! So yan, guys, reality check lang tayo. Kakatapos lang ng state management and iba pa rin yung nararamdaman ko, no? So I really have to be in a peak state right now. I'm preparing myself, I'm priming myself, but I really have to eat. So since nagsusuka ako, tamang Skyflix tayo, sa saging so that I can actually drink my medicine and drink Moringa products so that it can supply me with good nutrition. And ang good news, nakakapagkape pa rin ako. And it's because of Moringa iCoffee. Ito actually yung kape natin. And super happy and grateful right now kasi kahit papano, meron akong maiinom na may lasa at alam kong masustansya. And this is the reality, guys, no? This is the sacrifice. Aakyat ako doon, inspired, motivated, high energy because doon ako kilala. So right now, I'm preparing myself really hard for this. Sa ngayon, bukas lang yung puso ko sa possibilities na maraming pwedeng mangyaring napakaganda today. Yun lang, guys. See you later. Gusto niya?
So, ano yun, exact August 29 yung Sizzle Night. Nandyan rin ako sa mga gilid-gilid dyan sa unahan. Sabi ni Ma'am Jo, ayan, balang araw, ikaw naman yung magsasalita dito sa harap. So, yun nangyayari, guys. Kaya, ayun, pag nag-goal kayo, paniwalaan nyo lang, guys. Sobrang maano yan kasi lahat naman tayo eh. Deserve naman talaga natin ng magandang buhay. Tama po ba? Yes! Kasi kung hindi nyo deserve, pag-isipan nyo kung gumagawa ba kayo ng masama, di ba? Kung gumagawa kayo ng masama, syempre di nyo deserve. Pero kung tumutulong naman kayo sa mga magulang nyo, deserve nyong yumaman. Deserve natin yumaman.
So ayan guys, it's 2:15 AM. So umagang-umaga na guys, kakatapos lang namin kumain with the coaching team. Grabe lang din kanina, very successful yung Sizzle Night natin, no? Nakapag-speak tayo kahit sobrang sama ng pakiramdam natin. And even if I still feel unwell right now, feels like I'm a winner already. Feels like we are winning the day already. Kasi imagine, kung nalampasan natin yung sobrang bigat na araw, sobrang daming challenge. Imagine, ano pa yung kaya nating malampasan. But I'm sharing this with you right now kasi gusto kong ma-realize nyo yung reality in terms of being successful, in terms of building a business. Kasi nga, if you have integrity, if you're committed in what you are doing, like in my case, sobra yung commitment ko na tumupad sa usapan. Tayong usapan, di ba? Kasi baka ngayon ka lang nanonood ng video ko. Pero meron kasi akong deal sa sarili ko na whatever it takes, I will upload videos. Whatever it takes, susunod ako sa schedule na binigay ko sa sarili ko. And whatever it takes, pupunta ako sa event na to. So kanina, kwento ko lang sa inyo, twice ata akong sumuka no, before ako magsalita and after. Pero buti na lang, habang nagsasalita ako sa stage, napigilan ko yung sarili ko kahit nararamdaman ko na dito. And isa pang good news, meron tayong motorcycle achiever ngayon, no? Which is isa sa editor natin, si Ariel. Nakaka-proud lang, nakakatawa kasi nakapagsalita siya sa stage, isa pala yun sa pangarap niya. At nag-join pala siya sa Wii, birthday ko din. Ngayong birthday event ko, nagsalita siya sa stage, which is pangarap niya before, sinulat niya lang din. Tapos meron pa siyang sniper. Nakuha pa niya yung motor na gusto niya. So from bike, naging sniper. Nakakatawa lang din, nakaka-proud. And I'm pretty sure sa next vlogs natin, makikita nyo naman yung mga car achievers natin at mga susunod na motorcycle achievers. Ang akin lang guys, happy and grateful. We have the coaching team here. I have my mom here who prepared the food for everyone. Nag-celebrate ng birthday, even if sobrang bigat ng nararamdaman ko. Physically, at some point, alam ko sa sarili ko na nagawa ko yung part ko. Na-convert ko tong araw na to into a really positive day, into a really productive day, and more importantly, tumupad ako sa usapan. Ginawa ko yung best ko at nalampasan ko yung challenge na to. And ngayon, di ko alam kung may kinita ako sa ginawa ko, pero I'm pretty sure na may maganda ako nagawa. Tandaan mo, lahat ng ginagawa mo, magre-reciprocate yan, babalik at babalik yan. Kasi lahat ng binabato mo sa mundo, babalik sa'yo. So yun lang guys, we will just enjoy the rest of the morning and we will update you later. See you soon guys. Ayan guys, it's around 3 a.m. Nagpahinga lang tayo ng konti and I think that's one of the major advantages of having a car, no? So, kahit pa paano, nakapagnakaw tayo ng pahinga habang nagkakain sila doon at nag-enjoy. For now, we're gonna do a lot of meetings pa. So, magkuklose pa tayo ng stockist. Super happy and grateful kasi ang daming bagong members, ang daming nag-join at patuloy na lumalaki ang worldwide entrepreneurs. And syempre, may mga bagong interested sa stockists and centers. And of course, if you are also interested, you can comment. So, what we're gonna do is, yun nga, magkuklose tayo ng stockist, centers, and then acknowledgement with the coaching team. Tapos, mastermind with the coaching team. Tapos, some meetings pa to make sure that we are actually building our leaders. Kasi nga, hindi pwedeng basta tayo banat, hindi pwedeng basta lang tayo nagbebenta ng products. Dapat nabibuild din natin yung mga leaders natin for future leverage. So, yeah, for now, you have to go. Tara, 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 tara. Yeah. So ayan guys, it's 5:30 a.m. Grabe, ngayon pa lang tayo uuwi. Nakakatawa lang kasi na-stretch ako ng bonggang-bongga. Akala ko talagang bibigay na yung katawan ko, pero ngayon ang dami ko pang energy. Iba talaga pag mahal mo at gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. So nakakatawa dito guys, nakatanggap tayo ng ilang regalo at grabe, sobrang saya. Kasi lumalaki na yung worldwide entrepreneurs and grabe, daming bagong stockists, daming bagong members. So ngayon, habang babiyahe kami, Prince, ipakita mo muna sa kanila yung sniper. Yeah.
Darating yung araw na mangarap tayo. Darating din yung araw na halos susuko na tayo. Pero mas pinili pa rin nating lumaban dahil may mga taong nagtitiwala at umaasa sa atin. Kaya ikaw, kung may pangarap ka, ilaban mo lang. Balang araw, makakamit din natin yung mga tagumpay kung a-actionan natin.
You know I can't help but this, cause they know they can never touch this. So baby, let me talk my shit, or I might just go another fit. You know I can't help but this, cause they know they can never touch this. So baby, let me talk my shit, or I might just go another fit.
Ayan guys, it's 7:07 a.m. at kakarating lang natin ng studio dito sa Mamatid, Cabuyao, Laguna. You may say, Sir MJ, you don't have to do all this. Sir MJ, you don't have to sacrifice a lot. Sir MJ, you don't have to work hard. Yes, I do. Fucking love what I do. I love creating content. I love these people. I love my business. I'm just passionate about what I do. You have to understand then that if you want to build something really big, the sacrifices will be hard and long. Mahaba. Mas mahirap. Sa case ko, one example is Worldwide Entrepreneurs. Trying to change the face of the whole industry. We are the new face of network marketing. So imagine mo, babaguhin mo yung buong kultura. So syempre mahirap siya. Diba? Iba yung pinagis na natin sa networking. Puro pakitaan ng pera. Puro hype. Ako, ang focus natin, education. So nagbibuild ako ng mga leaders. So for me to ensure, to be certain that these leaders will really understand, will really get the values, will really learn my belief systems, I have to work harder. After mag-close ng deals, after gumawa kami ng maraming pera, ituturo ko pa sa kanila yung sistema. I will make sure that they understand, that we process things, that we have meetings, that we have a solid structure so that alam nila kung ano ipapasa nila sa mga downlines nila. When it comes to content creation, we have a very strict schedule. And of course, we have to make sure that the quality of our uploads is getting better and better and better. Because it's not just about views for us. It's about our brand. It's about making sure that we create the best possible output. Ang tawag doon integrity, ang tawag doon commitment. Yes, siguro ibang creators o ibang mga negosyante, ang goal nila, mabawasan yung trabaho nila. Ang goal nila habang tumatagal, lumiit yung trabaho nila. Ang goal ko kasi sustainability. I am making sure that I'm still growing, I'm still learning, and I'm still building more. Because what I want for myself, for my company, and for my team is something really big. Yung iba kasi ang iniisip nila, yung ibang mga negosyante, ang nasa isip lang nila, sarili nila. Ako kasi ang gusto ko yung mga taong malapit sa akin, damay paangat, damay pataas. Lahat nag-grow, lahat kumikita, lahat nag-enjoy, at lahat masaya. It's a lot harder, but it's more fulfilling. So again, I just want to congratulate Ariel. Grabe yung editor natin, naka-sniper na. At nakita nyo naman kanina kung gaano kaganda. And nakakatawa lang guys, kasi little by little, nakukuha ng team ko yung mga bagay na gusto nila. Maybe in the future, we will create a separate vlog for the media team. Ano ba yung resulta nilang lahat? But for now, we have to close this vlog. At least, you are able to see the reality. I started this day, or yesterday, na sobrang sama ng pakiramdam, 7 a.m. na, gising pa rin tayo. Gumagawa ng value para sa inyo. And because of that, mag-subscribe kayo. Mag-like kayo, mag-comment kayo, and share your thoughts. It's because, you know, for us, it's not about views. It's about you understanding the reality, the truth, in terms of building your business, in terms of becoming successful in life. And with that, subscribe, click the notification button para alam nyo pag may bago tayong uploads. And of course, if you want to be part of my community, you can join Worldwide Entrepreneurs. And soon, we will also build a separate MJ Lopez exclusive community sa Facebook naman natin. And syempre, parating na yung masterclass. Abangan nyo lang at ilalagay natin sa description, sa comment, yung website natin for that. And with that, guys, again, kung gusto mo maging successful, huwag masyadong magmadali. Huwag masyadong pabebe kasi ngayon mismo, pinakita ko yung resulta ng pagiging successful. Yun lang guys, magandang araw sa inyo. Again, my name is MJ Lopez and see you soon. Bye guys.